In the previous video, we learned the 8 most common Italian greetings. So, today it's time to find out the most common goodbyes. Once again, we won't focus on the translation. On the contrary, we'll learn how to say and write them, when to use them, and in what context. Ready? Let's start. Goodbyes, in Italian commiati or congedi, are the expressions we use when parting or at the end of a conversation. Here are 12 Italian goodbyes you need to know. Number 1. Ciao. More used as a greeting, ciao can also be a goodbye. Transcending temporal constraints, its informal nature makes it a go-to farewell, signaling not just the end of a conversation, but also a genuine sense of belonging. Number 2. Arrivederci. Beacon of hope and certainty, Arrivederci hints at future reunions and embodies the Italian belief in the continuity of relationships. Whether parting ways for a brief moment or an indefinite period, this formal yet reassuring farewell encapsulates the mutual understanding of eventual encounters, fostering a sense of optimism and goodwill. Bonus tip: if you want to be even more formal, you can use the alternative version Arrivederla. Number 3. A dopo, and number 4. A più tardi. Convenient farewells for immediate reunions later in the same day, these informal, timeless expressions carry a sense of reassurance and anticipation. Number 5. A domani. Informal and without time restrictions, bid your farewell using a domani when you know you are going to see each other the day after. Number 6. Ci vediamo. A versatile catch-all phrase for future encounters, ci vediamo can be used with either plan for later that day, ci vediamo dopo, or ci vediamo più tardi, the next day, ci vediamo domani, or in the near future, ci vediamo presto. In all these cases, it suffers no time restrictions, despite being quite informal. Number 7. Alla prossima. Alla prossima, implied volta, offers an informal goodbye that hints at future meetings. Number 8. A presto. Another beacon of hope and anticipation, a presto informally promises a swift return and the resumption of shared moments. And, cherry on top, has no time restrictions. Number 9. Buona giornata. Formally conveying a sense of warmth and goodwill, Buona giornata is the perfect solution to bid your farewell with courtesy and politeness. However, keep it for the morning and afternoon. Number 10. Buona serata. Night twin of buona giornata, buona serata boasts the same qualities, but only in the evening and at night. Number 11. Buonanotte. Strictly informal, Buonanotte is commonly used by or towards those heading to sleep. Finally, last but not least, number 12. Addio. Acknowledging the inevitability of parting ways while honoring the memories shared, Addio stands as a solemn farewell reserved for the most profound of departures. This formal expression carries a sense of finality and closure, reflecting the depth of emotion and respect when bidding farewell to loved ones. Bonus fact: it literally means be with God. As we conclude our exploration of the most common Italian goodbyes, it becomes evident that these farewells are more than mere linguistic formalities. They are windows into the soul of Italian culture. From the casual warmth of ciao to the solemnity of addio, by understanding when and how to use these goodbyes, we not only enhance our linguistic proficiency, but also deepen our appreciation for the richness and depth of human connection encapsulated within the Italian language. So, as you bid farewell to your Italian-speaking friends and acquaintances, remember to choose your parting words wisely, for they carry with them the essence of Italian culture and tradition. That said, now I want to hear from you in the comments. Are there any other Italian goodbyes you know? What's your favorite Italian goodbye, and how do you say it in your language? Until next time!
Arrivederci.